Somebody had asked earlier about the northwestern part of Oak Avenue, and this is what it looks like on the south side. And on the northern side. On the western side, it's all dry. So Mary, still, you had asked about 77th off of Palm towards the beach, and this is where we're at right now. Gusty, you know, obviously still raining pretty good. I mean, it's 10:30 and it's still storming here. I'm not sure exactly where your friend is. If I had an address, I'd gladly check in on him, but it's not flooded at all. So if he's indoors, then he should be perfectly fine. There's a gentleman. Some people are out on the beach. I don't want to get wet today. Manatee County has about 4 of these trucks. They've run all throughout the night, 3 of them taking about at least 50 loads of sewage off of the island, so to help the pumps keep up. Just doing a great job. Wow. Well, driving south, we're less than an hour away from high tide, but you could tell the conditions. It's raining pretty good still. That doesn't help, but and it's windy. So we just need to get through this high tide, and this afternoon, hopefully the waters will continue to recede. We do not need them to go up. That's the last thing at this point. Going south on Gulf Drive, coming up to Bradenton Beach. There's the beach. The water's still pretty rough. Lots of waves, and just not the time even to try and catch a wave. Some surfer said they were intending to, but it's dangerous conditions. Continuing down towards Cortez. Faithful Publix. You can always rely on them to have groceries in the store. That's for sure. There you can see the dune. Lots of palm branches down everywhere. par for the course, right? This is the Beach House Resort, the Coconut Hut. Passing Cortez Road, coming towards Bridge Street. The Beach House. The wind is howling over here. Coming up to the Moose Lodge. But everywhere it seems to be business as usual. Bridge Street Bazaar is open. You can get a cappuccino over there. Yeah, looks somewhat sleepy this morning, but the mailman's out delivering, and people are ready for lunch and dinner. Here at the Bridge Tender Inn, some cleanup, all the seaweeds and stuff that washed from the bay onto the land here. So that's towards Sarasota, and this is not gonna recede quickly. There's some seaweed, it's high water mark. But yeah, pretty much the bay is straight up into the road here, into and over the edge. Lots of debris there, but you cannot tell the distinction of where the bay begins unless it was for the mangroves here. It's all flooded, but you could tell how high the water has come up. It was way higher than what it even is now, having receded some. Well, it clearly is a red flag day. So this is Cortez Beach. Coquina is that way. We'll get there. Just to give you an idea of the gusts, but especially the waves. The waters come way up. Very powerful. Crazy. Really, I can't believe they're doing this. So the Coquina Beach parking lot is underwater as far as the eye can see. This is all completely underwater. It's high tide right now in the bay. Some boats are kind of sheltered here, some yachts, but the waters are high and there's debris everywhere. There's a life jacket in the mangroves, and those look like parts of a sailboat or something, right?
Yeah, seats on a sailboat.
Seats, wow.
And sunk.
Crazy.
There was the harness.
Wow.
No, that was